High superachievers, students, parents, and individuals. First, I think parents has to become superachiever. What do you say? I need a feedback on this because so that I can make the videos. First, I have to make parents superachiever, then students automatically they will become superachiever. In between, I will send some videos on students also. Best career options available, isn't it? So एग्रीकल्चर अगर कैरियर ऑप्शन हम बोलते हैं तो व्हाट इज दैट इज कमिंग टू योर माइंड एग्रीकल्चर मीन्स muddy soils, plowing, tractor, and working hard in the fields. Because we have seen how a farmer works in a field. Lot of hard work he does. यही आता है दिमाग में. एंड पैसा उतना कुछ नहीं मिलता है बिकॉज देर आर सुइसाइड. फार्मर्स आर मेकिंग सुइसाइड ड्यू टू हैवी लोन्स. ये सब है हम लोग का दिमाग में. बट इफ आई से next 10 years, this career option, the agricultural career option is going to blast. That means lot of career options are there in agriculture. So if you want to know more about this, stay with me for 10 to 12 minutes. Before going to the video, I am welcoming you to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam, जहाँ लोगों सुपर अचीवर्स बनाते हैं. आप भी एक सुपर अचीवर हो सकते हैं बिकॉज we are integrating sixth sense, artificial intelligence, learning, health, and spirituality. These things are required to become a super achiever and live a purposeful, joyful, and rich life. Before going to the topic, don't forget to share my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon because you know I am making a global community of super achievers and this is possible through you only. आप जितना जितना शेयर करेंगे, जितना सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, उतना लोगों तक मैं पहुंच सकता हूँ. I can reach billions of people and make them super achiever. So let's come back to our topic. Future farming, the next big thing in career. This is the topic. The next big thing in agriculture, future farming. So first जो कैरियर ऑप्शन है दैट इज एग्रीटेक स्मार्ट फार्मिंग. मतलब क्या है? दैट मीन्स ड्रोन्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड टू स्प्रे पेस्टिसाइड्स. यू हैव ऐप, मल्टीपल एप्स टू नो द रियल टाइम weather and the soil. You can test the soil, you can know the soil quality, which food or which crop you want to grow in your field. So in this career option, you can become a agriculture data analyst because data analyst can tell you which crop you can grow in which soil, weather forecast, and those things. Then drone administrator, because this is going to what? It is going to tremendously, it is going to help tremendously in agriculture, this drone technology. So more and more drones are going to be used. So you can become a freelancer also, own the drones and freelance it. Then precision farming, that means where you are using artificial intelligence. So this is the first career option, that is your AgriTech smart farming. Second is sustainable and climate smart agriculture. So climate is actually it depends which crop is going to grow in which climate. Organic regeneration and zero budgeting farming. Zero budgeting farming, this is another chapter. If you want on this chapter, a video on this chapter, I can make this zero budget farming. So top career options here, that is sustainable and climate smart agriculture, soil health consultant, carbon credit specialist. Carbon credit, you know, क्योंकि every country has taken a target that they will reduce whatever carbon they are producing to the atmosphere. They are being produced, no, when you are using fossil fuels like our power plants or vehicles. Everywhere we are producing carbon. So that is being measured country wise. So we have some target every country so that we reduce this temperature rise. Every year there is a temperature rising. So that's why you can become a carbon credit specialist, so that we use less efficient machines in our agriculture. Vertical and urban farming, grow anywhere. वर्टिकल एंड अर्बन फार्मिंग, इसमें करियर ऑप्शंस क्या क्या है? इसमें करियर में हाइड्रोफोनिक फार्म डिजाइनर्स. हाइड्रोफोनिक इज ए प्रोसेस where we do not need soil. It is also a different chapter. You can search it, you can find out. The hydroponic farm designers, controlled environment agriculture specialist, and urban farming. You can also become a urban farmer. That means you can make a farm area in your rooftops or in apartments or even in shipping containers. You can see these things are happening right now, and it will grow tremendously. Fourth is your agripreneurship. That means you are a farmer, not a farmer. You are a agripreneur. That means you can be a agripreneur, rural YouTuber also. If yourself you are becoming a agripreneur, you can become a YouTuber, and you can earn a lot from YouTube. And you know, because everybody wants to know how to become a agripreneur, and you can give a real videos on those topics, how to become a agripreneur and organic brand ambassadors or founders. Organic farming is picking up. You have seen, no? Organic farming products are more costlier than the normal farming. Where organic farming means what? We are not using any pesticides or not any chemicals. Fifth one is biotech and smart seeds. Genetically improved crops, because we are inventing new crops actually by hybriding. Soil bacteria as a biobacteria, biofertilizer. Soil bacteria as a biofertilizer. And because nutrition is the main thing in your food, so here you can become, what is the career options? Plant biologist, then it is your microbiome engineer and scientist. Sixth one, agri finance, exports and logistics. Top career options क्या है इसमें? Agri export consultant. See, when you are growing crops or foods or any nutritional foods, it is not only for India, it is for global. You can export your products to other countries, because you are also importing, like apples. You are importing from other countries. Now it is banned for Turkish apples. You are importing from New Zealand also. Lot of countries you are importing. So you can also export your product to other countries. Agri finance analyst, because if many people are coming in this field, somebody will become agripreneur, somebody can become a founder. I am also trying to learn agriculture, and I have some land, 4 acres of land, agricultural land. So I have also thought in that way. Blockchain in supply chain. See, exports and logistics, blockchain. Now this is a new technology, not new, already it is already implemented in some companies. They are implementing this blockchain for security reason. Seventh is the world needs food. So what is the world's population? It is more than 8 billion. In India, ours is 1.45 billion. For them, we need food, and we need food, not only normal foods. We need better food system, so that we are healthy and live longer. Now let us see how you can build a career. What are the path that you want to become build a career in agriculture? तो पहला जो स्टेज है, that is your awareness, what is agriculture, and उसमें career कैसे मैं बना सकता हूँ. Awareness, it starts from class 8 to 10, because class 8 science book, if you see, there we have like nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals, lot of things are being taught. and also crops management in class 8. Those things are being taught right now. That is the awareness. If you are building interest, it will start from there. Then it is your foundation. Foundation start in class 11 and 12. That means if you are interested for agriculture, then you have to study biology. Biology in some college or universities, they have option also agriculture science. That also you can opt in your 11 and 12. That is CBSE pattern. Then undergraduate. Undergraduate means you can select your BSc in agriculture science or agriculture engineering also it is there, because it is not only agriculture science that you produce crops, but what are the technology being involved. That is called agriculture engineering and technology. What equipments has to be used. New equipments are being produced to help to improve the productivity and help increase the speed of the agriculture. Efficient machines. And also food technologist, nutritionist. Then specialization, it is your master degree. You do MS in agriculture or MTech in agriculture engineering and technology, and then you go for your PhD and those things. This is the career path if you want to build a career in agriculture. And then it comes your entrepreneurship. Around that means you have some experience and you have learned something, and you can start your own. If you have lands, you can start your own farming. So these are the options for you. And what is the earning, I have already told you. So no need to again tell you. So these are the options, best care options in agriculture. And just I have given you a gist information, just shortcut information. If you want to know more, you can contact me or you search yourself. You can get lot of information available in YouTube or Google, right? So please share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So wait for my next powerful video. All the love, all the power.